friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and easy recipe of chiles rellenos. And you know that I love chiles rellenos. No matter how you give them to me, I really love them. I know that the elaboration, it's a lot, but today I'm going to show you a chile relleno casserole that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing chile relleno casserole, these are my ingredients. I have all-purpose flour, chicken bouillon, salt and black pepper to taste, queso fresco, Monterey Jack cheese, 6 room temperature eggs, poblano chili peppers, jalapeños, onion, tomato, 2 garlic cloves. This is everything you need to prepare these amazing chile relleno casserole. So let's get started. I want to show you all the veggies. I have the tomato, jalapenos, 1 onion, the poblano peppers. I'm using only half of the onion and I am going to roast the tomato, onion, and jalapenos to make this amazing and delicious sauce for my chile relleno casserole. Look at this. My chile rellenos, I am going to really roast the poblano peppers. Look how easy it is to make this amazing sauce. And of course, roast your chile poblanos. Once you make this chile poblano pot casserole, you're really going to fall in love how easy it is to make it. There's no need to deep fry them when you could make your casserole. Here in my baking dish, I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil and I'm going to put it aside. And now I am ready to continue. Here I have my queso fresco Cacique. I am going to pull it apart and get everything ready. Have my cheese ready. So when my poblanos are ready, the cheese is ready too. I have the queso fresco Cacique and my Monterey Jack cheese. And here I have my poblano peppers. With the knife, I'm going to take the skin off, being very careful, and then removing all the seeds and of course the stem. Look how easy this is. Open it through the center, remove the seeds, cut it through the center, and get 2 pieces of each chile poblano. Look how easy it is to remove the skin. Let me tell you, once you do it the way I'm doing it, you're really going to love it. I am going to continue with the rest of the chile poblanos, removing the seeds, cutting them through the center, and of course putting them aside. You want to have all your chile poblanos ready to go. And now I'm ready to prepare the wet ingredients. I have 6 room temperature eggs and I like to crack them separately just like that, just in case a piece of shell falls into. I am ready to remove it. Once you add your room temperature eggs, add your salt and your black pepper. Put them in your blender and of course just blend away. Blend away for about 4 minutes until the mixture is really frothy and nice and thick. Let me tell you how easy it is. After you blend it, you're gonna sift your all-purpose flour. Sift it really good. Whisk it really good until there are no lumps of the all-purpose flour. And here I am ready to assemble all my chile poblanos. Remember that I'm using 6 whole chile poblanos, being very generous with the filling. Of course, I'm adding all my queso fresco cacique. I want to really cover them. And now I'm ready to add some of the mixture of the egg and then lay on top the rest of the chile poblanos. Look at this. Look how easy it is. Top it with some more cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, and then cover it completely with the rest of the mixture of the egg. It's gonna go in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Shake it a little bit so that all the eggs really run into all the chile poblanos. Put it in the oven. Mine was in the oven for 35 minutes and it's golden brown on the top, and this is done. I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes. While that's sitting, I am going to continue by making the amazing sauce. I have my chile jalapeños that I'm removing the stem. To this, I'm adding 2 garlic cloves, adding some chicken bouillon, adding some black pepper and salt and water. We are going to blend really good, and then we are going to cook it for about 10 minutes. Medium heat until the sauce is nice and thick. And it really doesn't take too long. Cook it in medium heat while your casserole is coming down temperature, coming to room temperature. Of course, I want to make some white rice to enjoy my amazing casserole. I'm adding 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of frozen corn, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and of course 2 cups of very hot boiling water. This is how you make this amazing and delicious white rice with corn. I'm going to cover it, let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then my rice is done. The sauce is already nice and thick, and now I am ready to start plating my amazing chile relleno right on top of this delicious and nice and thick sauce. Let me tell you, my mouth is watering, my home smells amazing, and of course, the chile relleno casserole is always so creamy, so nice and thick and cheesy. Oh my God. I hope you make this amazing chile relleno casserole. Of course, I'm going to lay it right on the top of the amazing sauce. And I am going to add my white rice with corn. I hope, my friends, you make it. Like, subscribe, and share. And remember, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Look how amazing this looks. Of course, adding my rice, and let me show you how it looks from the inside. This is just gorgeous and delicious. I hope you make it, and I hope you enjoy it. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. With this chile relleno casserole. Of course, I added some white rice with corn that you already have on my channel, and this is a very easy and delicious chile relleno casserole. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, so delicious. And let me tell you, the texture and the creaminess of the chile relleno with the combination of the queso fresco and the Monterey Jack cheese, just amazing. Delicious. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing chile relleno casserole. Easy. You don't need to fry it, and it comes out amazing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chile relleno casserole with white rice and corn. It came out delicious. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.